Stari Most, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Stari Most, or Old Bridge, spans the Neretva River in Mostar and is one of Bosnia and Herzegovina's most important symbols of resilience. Built in 1566 during the Ottoman Empire, the bridge is a striking example of Ottoman engineering, with a single elegant arch spanning 95 feet. Its smooth, graceful curve connects the two sides of Mostar, symbolizing both the physical and cultural link between the city's diverse communities. In 1993, Stari Most was destroyed during the Bosnian War, marking a deep loss for the city. However, it was rebuilt in 2004 using original techniques and materials with guidance from UNESCO. The reconstruction symbolized the city's recovery and determination to move forward after the war. Today, the bridge stands as a symbol of peace and resilience, attracting visitors from around the world who are drawn to its history and beauty. Stari Most is also famous for its tradition of bridge diving, a practice that has been continued for centuries. Trained divers leap from the bridge into the Neretva River, adding a dynamic cultural aspect to the site. These dives represent the bravery and unity of Mostar's people, giving visitors a sense of the city's spirit and culture. Now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Stari Most offers a blend of history, culture, and scenic views. Walking across the bridge, visitors can enjoy views of Mostar's old town, with its Ottoman-inspired architecture and riverside homes. Stari Most remains a powerful symbol of the city's endurance and a reminder of the strength and unity of its people.